Okay, now we're going to talk about writing the reflections of a function. Okay, so we start with number 3. It says let f of x equals 1/2 x plus 1 and write a function g whose graph is a reflection in the x-axis. All right, so when we had this, had our graphs and the things that happen, what part of a graph makes it a reflection? Making it negative out front. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to take that function, except I'm going to just write the function I started with. And I'm going to make it a negative out front of everything. Notice I put everything in parentheses. I need to distribute that negative to everything. So my new function is function g. And now it's negative 1/2 x minus 1. That will reflect everything over the x-axis. So number 4 says, let f of x equals the absolute value of x minus 5 minus 4. And write a function g whose graph is a reflection in the x-axis. So we're going to take the same thing. We're going to take this negative and we're going to multiply it by the absolute value of x minus 5 and then minus 4. When I am distributing that negative to everything, it cannot go inside the absolute value. Everything in the absolute value has to stay the exact same. So when I write my g of x, that negative is multiplying the absolute value, so it goes out front, does not go inside, and then a negative times a negative or minus 4 is going to be a plus 4. So that plus 4 on the end did get multiplied by the negative, but what's inside the absolute value did not.